Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a sedge stitch blanket. So let's get started. I'm working with a chunky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation row. So go ahead and work your foundation chain to the length that you would like it. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, single crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch we're going to work 3 stitches. So we're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Like that, all in the same stitch. Single, half double, double. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, and a half double, and a double. And you're going to work all the way across the row doing the same thing. So skip 2, in the next stitch work single crochet, half double, and a double. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row, and then I'll come back and show you how to finish the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, single crochet in the last stitch. Now this is going to be a repeat row. You're going to repeat this next row over and over until your blanket is the size that you would like it to be. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn. And I'm going to double crochet in that same stitch. 1 double crochet. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and you're going to work into this stitch, and that is the single crochet from the previous row. And in that stitch you're going to do single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Like that, all in the same stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 and again work in the single crochet and make a single crochet and a half double and a double. And over to the next single crochet, do the same thing. Single, half double, and a double. Single, half double, and a double. There's my last single crochet. I'm going to work a single and a half double and a double, and I'm going to single crochet in the last stitch. Like that. So every row is going to be the same. Chain 2 and turn, double crochet in that same stitch, and now you're going to go directly over to that single crochet and you're going to do single, half double, double. Then you're going to go right over to the next single crochet and repeat single, half double, double. And you'll just keep repeating that row over and over until your blanket or whatever else you're making is the correct size, and then you fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work. So you could use this sedge stitch to make pillow covers or to even make sweaters, thick winter weights, hats and scarves. So there you go, that's the easy sedge stitch, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.